2, and then 1, 2, 3, now baby don't mess around because you lost myself. I said out for the show. Bye-bye, she really wanted, but instead to see me walking out that door. Don't try to stop the feeling, cause I thought alone is gonna be right now. Thank God for mom and dad for making 2 to